In the ever-evolving landscape of the digital age, the opportunity to transform your life and financial status is not just a dream. It's a vibrant reality waiting to be explored. Imagine the freedom of working from home, shaping your own schedule, and watching your bank account grow with minimal effort. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating realm of making money online, exploring the 10 most profitable remote jobs that can fill your pockets while you bask in the comfort of your home. First on our list is affiliate marketing. Picture this: earning a commission by promoting other people's products. With the right strategy, you can generate passive income streams, effortlessly making money while you sleep. Next up, we have dropshipping. No need for inventory hassles. You sell products to customers without handling them physically. It's a booming business model that has turned many entrepreneurs into millionaires. Ever thought about writing your own success story as a blogger? By creating engaging content and building a loyal audience, you can make significant profits through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about online courses and ebooks. If you're an expert in a particular field, capitalize on your knowledge. Create online courses or write ebooks that cater to the needs of your audience. This is a fantastic way to earn substantial profits with low effort after the initial setup. Freelancing has opened the doors for countless professionals to work remotely. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or social media expert, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide a space for you to showcase your skills and land high-paying gigs. Virtual assistants is another gem in the realm of remote jobs. Entrepreneurs and businesses are constantly seeking help with administrative tasks, customer service, and more. With excellent organizational skills and a knack for multitasking, you can find yourself in high demand, earning lucrative income. Have you considered social media management? In our digital age, businesses thrive on social media presence. If you understand the ins and outs of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can manage social media accounts for various clients and watch your earnings soar. Stock photography is a creative goldmine. If you have a passion for photography, turn your snapshots into cash. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your photos online, creating a continuous stream of passive income. Ever heard of remote customer support? Many companies are outsourcing their customer service operations. If you have excellent communication skills and enjoy helping others, this can be a fulfilling and profitable venture, all from the comfort of your home. Lastly, let's talk about cryptocurrency trading. The world of cryptocurrency offers immense opportunities. With careful research and strategic trading, you can make substantial profits. While it requires knowledge and risk management, the potential gains are substantial. In the realm of making money online, the options are as vast as your imagination. Whether you choose to dive into affiliate marketing, explore the wonders of dropshipping, or leverage your expertise through online courses, the world of remote jobs is your oyster. So, don't just dream about financial freedom, seize it. With determination, creativity, and a dash of courage, you can turn your passion into profit and embrace the exhilarating journey of making money online. Happy earning!